Hey everybody, this is Ed from Prosper Path. Welcome to my Mobidea review. Today we're going to talk all about the CPA affiliate platform Mobidea. So CPA, in case you don't know what that stands for, means cost per acquisition. It's basically a form of affiliate marketing where you get paid for the lead and not have to depend on the sale. So stay tuned to the end for some awesome bonuses I'm going to tell you about. But now for the Mobidea review. So what Mobidea is, it's an affiliate network that provides you with mobile specific offers. So they focus basically on mobile only offers. So the network consists of numerous CPA offers which help you in monetizing mobile traffic. The big question, however, remains is how credible and most importantly, how profitable is it? So in this review that I'm giving you, I'm going to give you the answer to that question, and I'm also going to dive into the pros and cons of this network to help you understand if it offers you any distinct advantage or not. First off, I just want to tell you that I am not a member or an affiliate of Mobidea, so you can trust that I will give you an honest and unbiased review. So, about Mobidea. Like I said, it's a CPA mobile affiliate network. It connects website publishers with advertisers. The network was founded in 2011 by Antoine Moreau, and it's currently headquartered in Limassol, Cyprus. Limassol, Cyprus. It's focused to monetize traffic with optimized offers for mobile apps, like I said, in mind, and just considering how much time people are spending on their mobile phones and tablets nowadays over their desktop, you're essentially leaving lots and loads of money on the table if you don't consider focusing on mobile traffic nowadays. So how it works, as an affiliate, you're given access to a platform that gives you access to a number of worldwide performance-based CPA campaigns from different advertisers. The different things it offers are like health and beauty, which is a big one, sweepstakes, coupons, different types of mobile content, e-commerce, dating sites, gaming apps, video games, and so you kind of search through it, and once you spot an offer you like, you can click on it, view the traffic restrictions, and apply for approval. So let me give you a little bit of history about it. Like I said, Antoine Moreau founded it in 2011 with its headquarters in Limassol. What I found out, it's a mid-sized company. It has under 250 total employees, and there are about there's over 100,000 affiliates. So that speaks well for stability of the company. I noticed the support staff takes pride in that, and that they are multilingual and can support marketers from basically all over the world. So my opinion, it's a solid company, and I haven't found anything in my research that raises a red flag on its integrity. So with that being said, I'm going to discuss the features, the pros and cons in this review. So the features and benefits I'll discuss first. First of all, it has a free integrated tracker. What that is, it offers analytical capabilities that help you deep dive and optimize your media buying campaigns. With the data analysis is integrated into the platform, which makes campaign automation possible, which is what I'm all about. And it also anonymously collects stats and performance from all the affiliates, the whole affiliate community, so you can see how each offer is performing, which is a good feature. It also has something called Smart Link technology. So instead of using several offer links in different campaigns, you can create a single Smart Link and implement it in all of your campaigns. So it automatically recognizes where your traffic is coming from and shows each user the best performing offer. So it will automatically find the best offers for all of your traffic types and So this gives you the assurance that you will still be able to profit from targeting that, um, that if it isn't a perfect match for your offer. So this helps you keep from wasting money testing campaigns and advertising only the top producing campaigns that have already been tested with millions of daily visits. Another nice benefit is the Mobidea Academy, and it's free, and you don't even have to sign up to their website to use it. So it's an online learning platform that features many educational videos and articles, and has actually a learning path for different, where it depends where you're at on your in your profession. It starts you, if you're a complete newbie, it has a learning path for you, or if you're an expert, you can go down the expert learning path. So what I particularly like about it, it's like I said, you don't have to be a member to learn from it. I've gone through some of the courses and they didn't ask for an email or any contact information, and I was able just to dive right into the courses. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So the platform itself, the Mobidea platform, so this allows you to analyze your traffic and your performance without the need to subscribe to like third-party tracking software. You can do it all in one-stop shopping, and you don't have to pay anything to use the platform. And you can choose from over 100 traffic sources, templates that they have, and you'll be able to create your own custom domains on your campaigns. They do have a VIP affiliate, but in order to become a VIP affiliate, you need to generate 10,000 euros, or that's like 11,900 US roughly, of revenue with your traffic in the last 30 days. So if you're new, that's quite a challenge. So, but once you're a VIP, all your payment requests are free of charge. The VIP affiliates are the first ones to be paid after a request has been made. A dedicated expert will be assigned to you and help you even earn more money. And they give you tickets to industry events where Mobidea will be present, so you can meet the Mobidea crew. Woohoo! If that's something you're into, I'm not. The possibility of checking the opportunities with exclusive time frames. What that means, you'll be able to explore Mobidea's numbers with the data from the last 3 days and the data from yesterday. And last but not least, more frequent payments. VIP affiliates can be sent payments up to 2 times per week, opposite the non-VIP affiliates who be sent payments once per week. A little advantage. I mean, once a week's not bad. So those are the pros. Now for the complaints. One big complaint I heard is you can easily get banned, and permanently banned, and that's a big negative. I've heard it from some affiliates, they got banned for unclear reasons, and which is even a bigger red flag. They do not want shady characters using their platform, but essentially no one's perfect, and violations can occur accidentally and without bad intentions. So it would be better to have a system to educate or warn marketers without banning, with no warning, and without giving a reason. And it's not even clear what criteria to use to judge your traffic. It seems like their fraud detection software algorithm is really over aggressive, and they just ban you at the line of trouble. Another downside is the low quality traffic. I've heard some report that they had low quality traffic even after getting earnings and showing up on the account. It may be due to the product they're advertising or what you're doing, but it is a concern nonetheless. And you do get, it's mobile, it's geared for mobile traffic, so you're going to, another people complain about it, it gets poor results from desktop traffic, but that's obvious because it's designed for mobile platforms, so I don't think that's a real complaint, but something you should be aware of nonetheless. Even though it can convert desktop offers, it usually doesn't work that well, and that's why it's important to understand the complexities and particulars of mobile. If you're interested, it would be good to go through their training first and figure out how to use it. on their website, Mobidea.com. So, in conclusion, Mobidea is credible and profitable platform. It's among the best in the mobile niche. With the mobile traffic across the web growing at a rapid pace, it's definitely something to consider. It's obviously not the end-all be-all, and you will need other strategies, but a good platform to put in your affiliate toolbox. So that's in conclusion. Yeah, if you want to if you want to learn how you can take any business and scale it to your dreams and goals, just click on the link below, and I'll show you exactly how to build build a business online and customize it just for you. Customize the plan, help you choose a niche, set up your online business, and give you offers that you can promote. And you can even use a network marketing company if you wish, and start a network marketing company. The sky's the limit. So on top of that, you get one-on-one mentoring to make sure you're doing things right. So I hope you enjoyed my Mobidea review, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and to your success, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.